Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on the 2001 Honda Civic 1.7 liter. So right now the car doesn't crank nothing at all. Try to crank it, completely silent. The engine wouldn't even turn over. So I checked the battery. You can see the battery here is good. State of charging, that's for alternator, 100%, that's good. State of health, that's the battery, 100%. So the battery is good. Found out that the starter is completely dead. So what I did is I tapped the starter from here. So I use a pry bar. I tapped it while my co-worker cranked over the engine, and then right when I hit it, the engine turned over right away. So it was a bad starter. Now for this starter here, this is the part number right here. This is original but remanufactured. You can see the part numbers right here, 280-03-24 Denso. If you guys want to buy it new, I believe it's $300, but if you buy it reman, $150. Now to get to the starter, you have to remove the battery and the air box here. Take both of them out, and then you can get access to the starter. Now I got the battery out of the way already. The air box, there's one bolt right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's a bracket in the back here. It's hooked onto the air box. You have to remove that bracket right here for the harness, and then you can get the whole thing out like this. The starter cable, this one is a 12 millimeter. So once you take out that nut, you can take out the cable. For the signal wire, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it inside. Don't hold it here, because if you pull it here, you might break it. So hold it here, give it a good pull, and it comes right out. And take this clip out from this bracket right here, and then there's two 14 millimeter. Now it's gonna be 14 here and at the bottom. So 14 in the back right here where the starter is, and at the bottom. Now after you take out the two 14 millimeter, it comes right out like that. There you go. Put in the new one. Now since this starter is a remanufactured, I want to test it before I put in the car, because sometimes remanufactured part could be defective. So right now I'm gonna have my jumper on. I'm gonna put it on to 12 volt. I have my ground to the body, and then my positive to the cable right here, and then I used a alligator clip from the terminal right there. And then when I touch the positive, when I jump power into it, you're gonna see the starter, the gear right here is gonna push out and spin. There you go. There you go. You can see. Oh, this is a good starter. Now I got the new starter in already. Tightened down my two 14 millimeter. Tightened down my starter cable right here. And then since you know this is not a connector, make sure you try to get this pin right here exactly into this little thing. If you miss it, the car won't start. Make sure it's aligned straight, and then there you go, all the way in. I got everything put back already. Everything is good. Make sure you guys don't forget to put the harness back on the bracket on the back. Everything is good. The whole job take me to take out and put the starter in. Takes me 5 minutes. Now I just got to start the car. All right, here we go. Key on, clutch. Start up right away. So that's good. I'll try it one more time. There you go, that's good. So just a starter replace, guy. So the car didn't want to start at first. When I try to crank the engine, it's completely silent. So the old starter is bad. Put in the new one, starts really good now. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.